Zoom tutorial for beginners in 2025. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with Zoom. Simply head on to zoom.com and then click sign up for free. Enter your email address and then your birth year, or you can just simply sign up using your Google account. Agree to the terms of service and then click create account. Once we have done that, this is what your Zoom account is going to look like. Over here, you're going to see your basic Zoom profile. You can click on your profile icon. You can change your profile picture and then click on save. On the left, you will have your profile and you can customize that. Personal information and even personal meeting ID. To get started, you can go into meetings, click on schedule a meeting. Now customize the topic of the meeting, date, time, duration, and time zone. As you can see, for startup, you'll only have basic plan for Zoom and you can only have 40 minutes per meeting, so you're going to proceed the meeting for parts. But if you want an interrupted meeting, you will have to upgrade for a premium plan. For meeting ID, just generate automatically. For template, I'll choose none. Then after that, I can choose a whiteboard. Click on new. Then you can choose your whiteboard. But for me, I'm just gonna click on new and change permission level to viewers so everyone will be able to write on it. Then click on add on event. Then for password, you can also set up your password as well. And if you want to add documents, you can also add documents. You can also add the right waiting room so only users that are admitted by the host can join the meeting. Or if you want to approve or block certain regions, you can block certain regions or allow people in certain regions to only access the meeting. Then click on save. And our meeting is now scheduled on Zoom. Moving forward, we can also host webinars. You can also have personal contacts. You can also customize whiteboards. You can add notes and documents. Now, this is what your meeting initially going to look like. Now you can record any Zoom meeting directly and then save it in your digital device. All of the features here are available on the free plan. Now the best part is Zoom Meeting Basic Plan is available for free. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates.